Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's been a long time since the last film I uploaded here. So majority of the time I only upload videos from TikTok. And the other day I actually bought a wallpaper from Lazada, and it's actually the second day today and it was fast. So this is a wallpaper. So the one that you can see at the back, that one. So I'll be placing this over there so that whenever I do film some videos and I get to talk to clients, whenever I do online training, so medyo may okay yung background actually. So what I will be doing here, I'll be unboxing this. So this is actually an Eiffel Tower with some birds on the background. I'll show you how it looks like after. So that entire wall at the back is actually the one that I will be placing this onto. And then the cable, hindi ko siya masyado maayos because it's actually the CCTV cable. So hindi ko pa siya maayos, and it's concrete. So hindi ako marunong mag-drill. So apart from that, this is actually my workstation. So hindi ko pa siya na-upload because I'm moving to a new house. And hindi ko na pinifix lahat. So, and my workstation is actually in front of me now. So, likod ko, kailangan okay siya dapat. So that whenever I do film, I don't need to use some background images. So, so that's it for today, and my next video will be showing you how it looks like after. See ya! So now, what I'll do is, I'll open this. So, sobrang okay siya kasi naka-bubble wrap. And then, I got toys to work on. Stress reliever din kasi pagputok ng bubble wrap. Of course, this is so nice. Well packaged. So if you want to get some wallpapers, you just have to look at Lazada ZECHEN. So I'll be posting the name over here. I'll open this one now. Sana hindi ko siya masira. So basically, yun lang siya. I'll show you how it looks like before I put this on the wall. And boom! Okay, so this is a picture of Eiffel Tower, I think. Yeah, Eiffel Tower. And then I just need to figure out how it will look like later sa wall. So all good, and I'll film this step by step. Bye. So I'm finally done with the Eiffel Tower wallpaper, and I love how it turned out. So I'll just gonna be filming from here. This is the top going down. So it took me roughly around 30 minutes to finish everything. And I love how it looks now. It looks gorgeous, it looks perfect. I have now a background, so whenever I do vlog and I have meetings, so this is actually the background. So I'm happy, and I would recommend this store. They deliver fast. I just ordered it last Sunday, and it's Tuesday today, and I've got it. So I got a nice background now, and hope it inspires you too. See you on my next vlog. So when you create the wallpaper, of course, you're not left behind simply because you have a pattern to work on. So this is actually the pattern. So you have a guide where to place the birds, the clouds, the location. So it's all in there. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to finish this all, and I only just did it by myself, and it looks nice. It looks good. So this is my workstation area. So it's a bit messy still. I love Eiffel Tower.